Hi.
When I started my freelance career, I did it with these sites I have mentioned in this video. If you are also in search of where to start your freelancing career, or you want freelancing services, watch this video
till the end
to know a geek's view. Topl. A newer player in the freelance game, Topl is great for experienced software developers. Their screening process is pretty intense, only accepting the top 3% of developers, so it's not as easy to get up and running on a project as with some of the other sites listed here. If you are able to get through the screening rounds, though, it's a pretty great setup. The service pays really well, higher rates than all the other sites listed here. They can set you up with a range of projects from short to long term and will match you with projects that fit specifically to you and your skill set. If you are looking for a highly qualified developer for your startup or any other high quality project, I strongly recommend you hire your developer from Topl. Give this video thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. Comment down below which freelancing platform do you use. Upwork. Upwork has become the world's biggest marketplace now. I personally think it is still the amazing place for finding jobs and hiring freelancers. When I started my freelance career, I did it with these sites I have mentioned in this video, and now I feel good that I have one website and one portfolio. Upwork provides very high quality service, and the fees that they take for projects is also small. The most important thing that I love about Upwork is their support team. It never happened that they were not able to respond to my queries and problems. Freelancer. It is one of the oldest player out there. After the launch in year 2003, it has now grown into world's biggest outsourcing destination. If you are looking for a place to start, then Freelancer is the best place for you. It's easy to sign up as a freelancer or employer and start earning or hiring. I always recommend newbies and even the professional freelancers who have worked on other freelance sites to join freelancer.com. Fiverr. It is the world's largest marketplace for small services. The most interesting part is you can create gigs for as low as $5. It can prove to be a money-making system for you even if you don't know the coding or design stuff. Just have a look at the gigs others are creating and see if you can do that too. If you can do something very usual that people may be willing to pay $5 for, then you can make significant amount of money here. Guru. Since 2001, this platform enables freelancers to showcase their skills and services and to find appropriate jobs. Freelancers and employers both create their profiles on the site and enter into a job contract after reviewing each other's professional reputation. A freelancer manages his/her activities through Workroom, and payments are made following SafePay system. Freelancers looking for good pay jobs in designing, writing, IT, marketing, administration, and other fields, sign up to Guru. People per hour. This site brings together people who are either seeking or offering services relating to writing, web development, designing, social media, business development, etc. It is a UK-based company, which follows a system pretty similar to other freelancing sites. On this site, you will find both online as well as on-site freelancing gigs. Jobs are either fixed price or hourly type. If you want to join people per hour, visit link in the description. iFreelance. If you offer services in accounting, administration, marketing, designing, programming, and writing, or in any other related categories, you can join iFreelance to find prospects. Simply create your profile, advertising the services that you offer. Alternatively, you can bid on the projects that are suitable to your skills. Joining iFreelance is not free. You must purchase one of its paid membership plans. Personally, I don't think it is a drawback since it compensates by not deducting any fee from your earnings. Join iFreelance now, link in video description. 99 Designs. This site includes only designing gigs in the form of contests. A client puts forward his/her design brief. Freelance designers work on that. Only the approved design wins the prize money. In my opinion, this site offers immense opportunities to aspiring designers. Even if you don't win a contest, the designs you make will be a great addition to your portfolio. Be it logo design or book design, join 99 Design if you have skills in any type of design work. Simply Hired. It is difficult to beat Simply Hired when it comes to the variety of freelancing jobs. From personal care to high-tech, from administrative to construction, this is the marketplace for online and offline freelance jobs. The site lists jobs from 24 different countries. Besides job listing, the site includes other useful resources like company directory, success stories, and career development tips. A freelancer can use the site free of cost and browse jobs in nearby major cities. Now you can go and check out which of the following freelance website suits you the best. There are a lot of other sites also, but these are the top players out there in my opinion.